How can you tell for sure if your legs are ready to go running or not? Maybe just going for a test run might do the trick, right? But if it's too soon, just that could get you injured or injured again. I'm going to give you the simplest tests and what I think are the safestest. I said safestest. Salut, c'est Stéphane from Safe Motions. For any sports, pains here and there are part of the journey. And sometimes you do get confirmation of a true injury, so you have to take some time off. So let's say you got injured or maybe just took a long break. Right after that, can you just lace up and go for it? Probably not, and you know it. So here are 4 tests to evaluate if your fitness is where your fitness feels. Let that sink in. Took me 2 hours to come up with that. Test if your fitness is where your fitness feels. You should do these tests in the order from less challenging for your body to more challenging. And all those tests should be pain-free. So the first one is pain-free, you can go to the second one, and so on. Test number 1. Do 30 single-legged heel raises with the knees bent. If you've been following that channel, you know exactly why we do it with the knees bent and not the knees straight. We want to test your soleus muscles, the calves for endurance runners. Of course, if you're a trail runner, you can also test with the legs straight. Any difficulties? Compare left and right. Are they the same strength? I understand it's sometimes difficult to get the opinion of a medical specialist, and that's why this video is here. So hopefully this can help, but if you can, please consult. It's always better. Test number 2. 20 single leg hops, forward and back. You can start on the floor just to make it safe, and then step it up using a step. Step it up using a step. And then increase the difficulty using a step. And make sure you do that sideways as well, especially if you're a trail runner. Again, is there any pain, any asymmetries? If there are asymmetries, check out my video on how to fix them. Test number 3, simply run on the spot, doing 100 strides. After 100 strides, if you don't feel any pain, you can do a few dance moves. But if there is any pain doing any of those 3 tests, I wouldn't even consider doing the 4th test. And definitely don't go out for a run, you're not ready yet. Instead, if you're coming out of an injury, keep on doing your therapeutic exercises or step up your strength training. Perhaps you can go cycling, swimming, or if you have one, get on an elliptical trainer. Just get your muscles more ready before you go out for your run. And finally, this might feel like it's the easiest one to do, but it's also the most likely to get you injured again, or injured, full stop. You're going to do a 30 minutes walk jog. 5 minutes walk, 5 minutes jog, 3 times. So there you go. If you've successfully passed all those tests unscathed, hit the like button. And you're ready to go running. Carefully, in the next video, I'll tell you exactly how much you should reduce your training by, depending on how long your break was. I'll also give you some sample training plans if you're coming back from a long break, so check those out. À bientôt!